It was good. It's Marco from Digital Dash. Look, man, I'm on the way to the gym. Today, I had a withdrawal. It really feel unreal. I ain't gonna lie. After years of just putting in the work, years of the self-doubt, you feel me, not giving up, all of that, finally to a point where I'm withdrawing money. I'm enjoying the profits. I just had a little withdrawal, a couple hundred. It's like 640 or whatever. I think I'm gonna call it a week though. Just because y'all know it costs mental capital to keep going. Every decision you make, every time you analyze in the market, it's not just money that you're putting on the line, it's that mental capital that you're putting on the line too. So this week we was waiting for NVIDIA earnings, came out today. Market still look a little choppy as far as what I'm seeing on the higher time frames. I'm not really seeing a clear trend on the higher time frame. It's looking like it might chop around. So instead of me even playing with that, I think I'm gonna just call it a week. But yeah, man, it's just, I don't know who to tell. I don't know who to talk to. It's a surreal feeling. Like, it really don't feel real, the way I've been striking and how consistent I've been. And then the fact that I can pull money out the market, like, and actually put it towards a goal. You feel me? We getting the other car fixed. This car, I just got this car. Yeah, I just got this joint. But we getting the other car fixed. I need to swap the engine. Either we swapping the engine or repairing the head gasket. Either way it goes, it's gonna be a couple thousand. But my goal is to pay with it with all trading profits. You feel me? So, like I said, just years. It's been like 5+ years at this point. It's been 5 years in a couple months. And before I would just leave the money in my trading account. I would make some money. I would leave it in my trading account. They told me like, oh, you're supposed to compound. Just keep compounding the profits and stuff like that. And I'm knowing that it's still kind of dark. I'm knowing that I should compound, but I wasn't consistent. So I'm leaving the money there and I'm losing it. And it was never a real feeling. And it was never money that, I could actually take out and spend. It didn't feel tangible. It didn't feel like I was making any progress, because I wasn't. You feel me? I wasn't consistent. I wasn't consistently profitable. So in that regard, I wasn't making progress or making money, because I wasn't making money. But now it's to the point where it's like, damn, like my drawdowns are like cut in half. I can switch gears quickly. If I am down, I can get back up quickly, and I can actually pull money from the market and keep my account balance within a certain range, and then still grow that and still be able to pull money from the market. So my plan is now I just funded the account some more. Damn, it's hella dark. I just funded the account some more. I put like another 6,000 in the account. I could only put 5,000 in the other day. Another 1,000 is gonna hit maybe tomorrow or Friday, and that's gonna keep me in another position where my risk is right. I can up my size a little bit in regards of still risking the same percentage amount in my account, and keep it rolling from there. And then at that point, I should be able to make some substantial progress, because my wins and my losses are going to be bigger, right? So remember, just last year I was having $50 winning days or $100 winning days. I was still going 2-to-1 last year. I was risking $50. I was giving myself just a 10-point stop on every trade so that I could track the data and see how that was going, like how far a trade's actually going against me. And my biggest trades were $100. And then when I went to 1-to-1, I did the same thing. I just decided to change my risk to reward, keep my 10-point maximum stop loss on each trade. It was a 10-point minimum and maximum. I said, I'm putting 10 point on every trade, regardless of what it is. We're going to 10 points. And then my biggest winners were $50. So now to be at a point where it's like, damn, we can actually make substantial progress and make thousands of dollars. It kind of feels crazy, right? It kind of feels crazy, and I feel like this is the right size for me, because it's just enough to feel meaningful, but not too much to where it's like, damn, I'm destroying everything, my livelihood, all of that is gone when I take a loss. So I don't know, just something else I wanted to document. Like I said, I don't know who to talk to or who's even gonna really understand. Like, it's real. It's real at this point. You feel me? It's real. We're getting major car repairs and swapping engines and shit with trading profits. So I just had to document it. You feel me? I had to document it and get it out to some people who understand, to some people who relate to it, or to some people who is going to motivate, who are on their way to do the same thing. You feel me? But I'm on the way to the gym right now. It's August 27, 2025. It's really just the beginning, man. We heating up. We going up. I swear to y'all, this is really just the beginning. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for supporting me. Appreciate y'all for following the journey. And like I said, I hope it's inspiring y'all. I hope it's motivating y'all. And I hope it's pushing y'all to keep going too. And I'll catch y'all in another video though.